boronja sana tukipatana inakuwa ni euphoria. Sijakaza na bado na waroria. Boka doba. Alright. Boka doba.
Hatikva outside.
Tunafanya bila pressure, badman budu tumkeng hadi sijan.
Boom, what's the ready to Mr. Boy 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎, the reaction boss, and I'm back in effect with another video for you guys. I have a song from 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎, Lyrikali. Yes, he dropped a new song, it's called EUPHORIA. Official video. The other was about a few days ago. You feel me? I seen it on his Instagram. So y'all follow me on Instagram, my Tyre Vlogs. It's right here on the screen. So you go follow me, type it with me. But the video then came out, so we're gonna see what's up for the video. You know how to do it. Y'all know how to do it. Leave a like on the video, drop a comment on what you guys want to see me react to. I know it's Friday, so I know a lot of new songs came out. So guess what? I'm gonna be dropping them for y'all. You feel me? I know I'm gonna try not to post all of them at one time. I'm gonna do them in a bunch though and keep them so I can post them throughout the week to be active. Yeah. Anyways, let's get straight to this reaction, people. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Like, if you watching my video right now and not subscribe to the channel, bro. Alright, let's go.
Boka doba. Mana 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. I see. Them wicked. Sina ori mini warrior. Wana boronja sana tukipatana inakuwa ni euphoria. Sijakaza na bado na waroria. Bad mind na wakulia mashauri wao. Boronja mtandao finyiwa kwa ground na inabaki.
Hey, come on now, bro. Me think AJ come out on a big old yacht. That's how, you know, I come up with a little sail blazer. That's me, a little trail blazer. Go on.
Kuwa ni euphoria. Sijakaza na bado na waroria. Bad mind na wakulia mashauri wao. Boronja mtandao finyiwa kwa ground na inabaki kuwa anonymous. No worries, cause I'm a warrior. Wana boronja sana.
Don't worry about it. But people, I have a question for you. You feel me? I know not every artist, you know, pick sides and thing. But most of you ask, isn't me? I say, y'all think 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎 will be a member of, you know, the 6th camp, the Gaza camp, or the 7th camp? Isn't me? I say, I don't know anything. I mean, I scroll up on the Instagram, I see I met some plumpy boss. Isn't me? I say, I know whether there's some over Trinidad there. So isn't me? I say, I think one time I see some skeng. Think see my post on them page. I want some with skeng night. So maybe more over the 7th side. I say, isn't me? I say, nothing wrong with that. I'm music, isn't me? I say, well, go on still. Let's start to bring it up. Go on.
Ana tukipatana inakuwa ni euphoria. Dim ni kama nimewasha hazard. Niko 1960 na bado nimeenda gwadha. Sana jua sana ya unisa. Waridhiki miso kubatisha. Ni mbudana najisaidia na jina yangu kapoti.
I know y'all gonna start about, yo, don't pay attention to the subtitles, but why this one looking like it's actually correct? Let me know if I'm wrong or not. Y'all gonna tell me regardless, so let me know. Let's go.
Tipaka ameshatisa na tambariza na dogi. Manati naongeza rika takani kuwa kontua roese na moti. Najua ni teu ukiulizwa ni sangapi chunga neck after Joy medim tukiumana sisi your friends. Sidhani kaona relate kukua ji sidhani kaona relate. Ori mini warrior. Wana boronja sana tukipatana inakuwa ni euphoria. Sijakaza na bado na waroria. Bad mind na wakulia mashauri wao. Boronja mtandao finyiwa kwa ground na inabaki kuwa anonymous. No worries, cause I'm a warrior. Wana boronja sana tukipatana inakuwa ni euphoria.
This one is I'm featuring. It's the fact that I actually never reacted to Step Sonner. I actually never reacted to that song. I'm gonna listen to it right now for you. Honestly, let's do it in this video too. I actually never listened to it. My bad for not. I don't know. I'm just giving it to y'all in this video. I kind of never meant it. I ain't gonna lie.
Wanna do
Boka doba.
Boca doba,
Alright.
boca doba.
Hatikva, TV outside.
Tunaifanya bila pressure, badman, bududu mkeng. Hadi sijanza kuroga na kuna rapa metensa. Aliruka kitu hepa fala lihang kwa fence. Chimney, kuna mavitu zimekoma kwa chest. Clean boy, lazima kwa well dressed. Kare sesa kutoka stenje na pigania belt. Saizo, motherfucker feds wako well fed. Nikibaro takulo kizubo sipoji defend. I'm cool, na bado naingiza njeve. Absent, speleke go shodo present. Lyrically ill positive, niko tested. East again, teneko represented.
So what I like with this video, it might be captions on the screen for that one. I mean, not for real life on a blood clear translator, but go on, ready toxic.
Iwa jukubeni ngombe na unlimited atushai kama token. Mbono unangoja njora ndo utoboke. Mafalakanyi ndo mnaleta msako shoke. Step sana mangumi kanguwa tunavaana. Bishana knock kochana. Tulijuana juu ya kuvurugana. Yeah, step sana mangumi kanguwa tunavaana. Bishana knock kochana. Tulijuana juu ya kuvurugana. Kasoshi napiga look tenjis natoka kwa gram. Ndula pia mdonga lonzi chome brand. New gun armed ki helping hand. Kinen activate no disturb. Lawama marashi leta sura lesi hati na kanyaga na mbati. Alafu laana sipati. Zile ganje tulichai tulisaidia wazazi na pia tulirepent. Bado kidiga na step sana. New era heavyweight na haribu balance. New balance kwa look niongeze ladha. Kinibo neza kula bamba. Step sana mangumi kanguwa tunavaana. Bishana knock mchana. Tulijuana juu ya kuvurugana. Boy step sana mangumi kanguwa tunavaana. Bishana.
Hold on, let me see what I'm talking about in the comments. Yeah, before I'm money and sign up. People somewhat weird call like, Number one and trending. Toxic not gonna fall off. Toxic's actually doing him thing, and I do it the right way. I stay consistent. I drop good song. I drop good music. Now I'm gonna fall off.
Knock kochana. Tulijuana juu ya kuvurugana. Kanyagia step sana boy. Mangumi kanguwa tunavaana. Bishana knock kochana. Tulijuana juu ya kuvurugana. Nikikam step sana mangumi kanguwa tunavaana. Bishana knock.
What's so crazy is it? I'm gonna leave us with this reaction, but what's so crazy is it, y'all? You see, I started out with Toxic Lyrical, but I venture off and start finding the I gotta go on my Instagram or my TikTok. You see me and say, I saw me a talk about. Started with Toxic Lyrical. We start with this, me the dancehall vibes. And right now we're gonna rush for the girl them and go on. But me I reach over Tanzania. You see me, I say, I'm nice. Yo, like the culture, I fuck with it. You see me, I say, so thank you for the support as you do. You see me, I say, I'm giving you some more video. You see me, so just send me all of the videos and whatever, and now the videos I'm going extravagantly good in. You don't know chop already. And I'm gonna see another one. You don't know chop.